It's Laughing Kawaii Gaming here. I was just wanting to make a video. Basically, I wanted to show off a little bit of my personal collection, as well as a little bit of a mail day. Topps 2017 Series 1. I got 2 packs of those. I've also got 2 packs of this 2020 Topps Baseball Heritage. I had started collecting around November of last year. Jobs family actually got me into it. I saw one of his videos and he was breaking, at the time, I think it was Series 2 if I'm not mistaken. Or I think he was doing a live video of Topps 2019 update. Around November, you guys can tell me which video that was. I'm sure you guys watch Jobs family's videos. But yeah, so basically, I come from a small town in Ontario, Canada, where the Blue Jays are by far everybody's favorite team out here. Some people can like other teams, but for the most part, everybody loves the Blue Jays. For me, diehard Blue Jays fans. I got Blue Jays everything. I got Blue Jays jerseys, Blue Jays hats, you name it, I probably got it. Now, that being said, I have a couple of cards that I have on display here. Just basically my nice cards that I think of looking at every now and then. So basically, I got the Topps Chrome Edition Vlad Guerrero Jr. I got the regular Vlad Guerrero Jr. out on display. I got the Vlad Guerrero No Number from Series 2. I got the 1984 design. I really like the 1984 design. It's absolutely beautiful. Now, on display, I just have a Luka Doncic. I got 2 of those. Rated rookie from Donruss. I'm just going to be holding on to those. And who knows? One day he might turn into LeBron James. He might win a few championships. Hopefully he goes better than 3-7. So, basically, yeah. My favorite player is Jose Barrios. So, as you can see, I got about a 20 count case filled with his rookie card. I got 2 autographs right there. I got his Topps Chrome auto from 2016. Now, the funny thing with that is, I'm trying to create the rainbow with this one. So, basically, I need the, out of 499 refractor, I need the orange, I need the yellow, I need the blue, I need the purple, I need the red, I need the superfractor, and I need the printing plate. Now I'm going to have to keep dreaming on the printing plate. That's never going to get done. But I got the yellow, the blue on its way from eBay, as well as I'm pretty sure one of these are the purple. So all I would be missing would be the 499 refractor, the orange, the red, and the printing plate. I guess we got to start with the basketball, right? It's not even a baseball sport. So basically, I have a friend who likes basketball, so he would like most of these that come out of here. Okay, so right now we have, let's see, Panini Contenders 22 card value pack. We got Klay Thompson base, Damian Lillard base, Marvin Bagley base. Now some upside down cards. How many of those in a row? A few of those in a row. Zach LaVine. Yeah, my buddy will like those. Kevin Huerter. Chris Paul. Nice Luka Doncic here. That's nice. Definitely nice. So we'll sleeve that Luka up. It's nice. Definitely a nice hit. I mean, not really a hit, but I mean, I like him as a player. Love him as a player. Second-year card, too, so never know. We got Domantas Sabonis. Pascal Siakam. That goes in. Ooh, nice Trae Young green foil. That's definitely nice. We'll sleeve that up. Okay. Oh, we got a Rui Hachimura. That's a nice card. It's definitely a nice card. Okay. Shaquille O'Neal winning ticket. Sucks it's not with the Lakers. But it is what it is. Ooh, nice. Nice Kyrie Irving front row seat. That's a nice little insert right there. And we got our rest of our base. Panini does it like Topps. You have the inserts and all that in the middle. So what we got here. James Harden. Tobias Harris. Kawhi Leonard. Brooke Lopez. Oh, nice LeBron James. Dennis Smith Jr. Josh Hart. Ben Simmons. And Kyrie Irving. Okay, so that's it for that. That was actually pretty nice. Pretty nice little pack there. So we'll recap our little hits there. So we got LeBron James. His cards are always nice to get. Kyrie Irving, Contenders, front row seat. Winning ticket, Shaquille O'Neal. Rui Hachimura, rookie draft class. A Pascal Siakam. That's just a nice card for me. Trae Young green foil and a Luka Doncic. So yeah, wasn't that bad. I do say so myself. Okay, now we will go with our Top Series 1, I guess. Go old to new. Basically, I'm just doing this video to, like, I don't know, rookie chase, something to keep the time, something that maybe you guys would want to keep in mind. This is my first video. I hope to get better in the long run. Okay, that was weird. So we got 2017 Series 1. The rookies to look for: Yohan Moncada with the White Sox. You're looking for Aaron Judge. You're looking for Alex Bregman and Dansby Swanson. Oh, and Josh Bell. Josh Bell's another one. So we got Jacoby Ellsbury. Gabriel Yanoa rookie. Put all the rookies here. Put all the base there. Put all the inserts. Pedro Strop. Coco Crisp. All these upside down cards. We got to rediscover in here. Definitely got to rediscover in here. Okay. Start with this a little bit. Joey Votto. David Freese. John Gray. AJ Reed. Josh Reddick. Corey Kluber. John Lester. Masahiro Tanaka. Nelson Cruz. Michael Saunders. Aldemus Diaz. Steven Strasburg. Okay. It's all base. Then we got our inserts. Carlos Correa Mother's Day. Nolan Arenado Silver Slugger. Chris Lane first pitch. Kenley Jansen reliever. We got Bob Walk, Topps Rediscover. What year is this from? 1990. Nice. Some good old junk wax put in there. Pat Neshek. We got Wade Davis. We got the Miami Marlins team card. Another Miami Marlins team card. Carlos Rodon. Jake McGee. Angels team card. Mookie Betts. Jameson Taillon. Matt Adams. Ryan Flaherty. Carlos Carrasco. Yes, Monty Thomas. Okay, these cards are all flipped over, put in backwards, all that. Okay. Ivan Nova. Deanna Navarro. David Freeze. A little bit of damage on the top. It's not a big deal. John Gray. Not many rookies. AJ Reed. Josh Reddick. Same guys. Edison Volquez. Hector Rondon. Marcus Simeon. Oh, there's a Josh Bell. Nice. Clay Buckles. Mookie Betts, league leader. Joey Votto, league leader. John Lester, league leader. Daniel Murphy, league leader. Albert Pujols, league leader. Chris Davis, league leader. Are these just a bunch of league leader cards? Wow. Mother's Day, Will Myers. We got our rainbow foil of Hunter Strickland. Our back in. At least you gotta give it to Topps for not putting their cards in backwards in 2020 and 2019. Okay, so it's Corey Seager. Oh, I like these then and now. Manny Machado insert, nice. Dave Roberts. Oh, what's this? Luis Polonia from 89 Topps. Tucker Barnhart. Jace Peterson. Chicago White Sox. Nice Northern highlights. Nice Aroldis Chapman. Jarvis Solarte. Byron Buxton. Rick Porcello. Brandon Belt. Troy Tulowitzki. Travis d'Arnaud. Tim Anderson. Kendrys Morales. Wilson Ramos. Clint Robinson. And a Keon Broxton. Give me a second here. Byron Buxton. Okay. Had me confused for a second. Okay. It's not bad out of 2 packs. There's all the base. Got Josh Bell and Gabriel Yanoa for our rookies. Not much to talk about, but Luis Polonia, Dave Roberts, then and now Manny Machado, Corey Seager, Silver Slugger, Hunter Strickland, Will Myers, Mother's Day, Bob Walk, Rediscover. So these cards are actually in good shape for considering they're 1990. Okay, Kenley Jansen, Chris Lane, Nolan Arenado, and Carlos Correa, Mother's Day. So, not bad. Next up, we got Topps Heritage from this year. Looking for short prints, and obviously Vlad's a short print, so I was going to be pulling him very low. Also looking for action backs and stuff like that. So, Gary Sanchez, Brandon Workman, RBI leaders, Rafael Devers, Tyro Estrada, Tyler Chatwood, Tyler Flowers, Edwin Diaz, Jake Marisnik, Flashback, Reggie makes Minneapolis his playground. Nice. Shed Long, Enrique Hernandez. Oh, I've heard about him. Roofnet Odor, Keon Kella, Brad Keller, Donovan Solano, Rookie Stars, Tony Gonzalez and Josh Spores. Joey Votto. Luis Urias. And Soto shines in World Series debut. So that was the first pack. Let's get the second pack up. We got home run leader Mike Trout. Alex Bregman, Nelson Cruz. That's always a nice card to have. Anything with Mike Trout on it. Chris Bryant. Pitching leaders. Alex Colome. Mitch Haniger. Yoan Moncada. Kevin Newman. Washington Nationals finish the fight. Manny Margot. New Age Performers. Eugenio Suarez. Domingo Santana. Freddie Freeman. Gio Urshela. Anthony Rizzo. Ryan Braun. Ian Desmond. Marco Gonzalez. Julio Teheran. Nicky Lopez. And Brandon Lowe. So no Vlad. Nobody really worth that much. I mean, Eugenio Suarez, Washington Nationals, pitching leaders, Mike Trout card, Soto, Tony Gonzalez, Reggie Makes Minneapolis is playground, and RBI leaders.